Hey guys, and welcome. In the following video, I'm going to show you how you can download the Flothemes plugin and install it to your WordPress site. It's really simple to do so. First, go to flothemes.com/flowforms, and that's with no spaces, and then simply download the plugin, and you'll have a zip file. If it has been unzipped, make sure to rezip it so that it is in this format, flowforms.zip. And with that file, you can log into WordPress. You can go to your plugins area, and you can either hit add new here on the left or add new here up the top. So go ahead and hit add new. Then you can, of course, click upload this plugin, choose the file if you want to have downloaded it, or drag and drop that off your desktop, and then hit install. If you previously had Flothemes installed, you can delete the previous version and then install the new version, and your entries will still be stored in the database. So everything's still going to be there and stored, not a problem. You will just have to recreate the forms. Then you'll of course be able to go to your forms as always, recreate the forms here in the back end. If you previously had the forms, you should delete these forms. So just go ahead, throw them in the trash. And of course, then you'll want to recreate any new forms by just adding new forms and getting started. We do cover this in the next tutorial, so go ahead and watch that and learn how you can start creating forms for your site today.